Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can use your CapCut Pro for free.
Really?
Yes, for free. Recently, CapCut launched most of the products we are using for free to edit our video. They launched it to their paying subscription. That means you cannot use all this feature without paying to CapCut. And also, there are many new content creators that cannot be able to afford the subscription per month. I recently made a video about it, but I think I need to add some features to it because some people don't understand that there are some more features that are usually free before CapCut launch their pro version, like changing your background, enhancing your voice. Most of the effects that we used to use, like the light, most of the things that we used to use for free previously is now turned to subscription. That means you need to pay more money before you can enjoy all this service. But don't worry, on this video, I'm going to teach you how you can do it for free. For free, no payment is required. All you need to do is just to follow this tutorial A to Z, then you are good to go. Let's dive into it. Open your CapCut and click on New Project, then click on Picture and import your picture to your timeline. I'm using a office background to this tutorial. I'm going to expand it to the end of the timeline to where I want the video to stop. The next thing I'm going to do is to bring the video into the timeline. I'm going to click on Overlay and click on Add Overlay. Then I'm going to choose the video I wanted to use for this project. I will use my two hands to expand the video to fit in the screen. Then I will check the end of the video if the video and the background is aligned. So I'm going to trim it to be on the same side. Next thing we are going to do is to find where they write Remove BG. This is where you're going to click to remove your background. You can see auto remover is pro version now, and you can click it, allow it to load, and voila, it's going to change your background immediately. If you discover right above there, you will see that if you are using a free CapCut, it's going to show pro beside your exports, but I'm using a paid version. That is why you cannot see it, but I'm just showing you a demo. If you try to export, next thing it's going to show is it will ask you to upgrade to Pro for extra perk. What next we're going to do now is let's add some other features that are not free, like enhanced voice to this project. We click on it and we allow it to load.
12 seconds later.
Once it's loaded, we adjust it to the end, then we click it. Then we have to look for another one, which is isolate voice. We add it and we allow it to load.
Few moments later.
Once you have confirmed that the isolate voice has already added, all you need to do next is to check the video from the beginning to the end. Then you click on screen record. You screen record your screen the way it is. You don't need to put it to full screen. All you need to do is just swipe down your phone and press screen record. Then you play the video from the beginning to the end. Let's start playing. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can edit from your CapCut A to Z. Let's begin with CapCut. Stop the record at the end of the video, and next you need to do is to open your CapCut and open a new project. Click on new project and import your screen record video. Mind you, it is going to be in 9:16 ratio. So all you need to do is to trim out all the unnecessary parts, which is the screen recording that was showing from the beginning and also at the end of the video. Make sure your video is accurate from the beginning to end. Now that you have imported a new one to your CapCut, now you are going to edit on free. Next thing you need to do is to convert this video to your YouTube ratio. All you need to do next is to find transform, click on transform and click on resize. You're going to click on 16:9 and you're going to move it a little bit up for it to align with the video and full your screen. Next you click on check. You can still see that the video is not up to the full screen. You're going to click on your main timeline and you're going to look for aspect ratio. You click on aspect ratio and choose 16:9, which is YouTube version, and your video is going to be on full screen. Voila. Next thing we need to do now for us to get a perfect picture, we need to look at the bottom of CapCut and look for adjust. Click on adjust and look for sharpen. This will allow your video, this will enhance your video to look more perfect. Just enhance your sharpen to 100% and you are good to go. Next, we need to export your video without any hindrance. Or you need to just put your video to 4K and export your video. Then you are good to go. Let's see the final result. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can edit from your CapCut A to Z. Let's begin with CapCut. Now that you have seen how you can add some feature, changing of background, most of the sticker to your video, there are pro version. At the end of the day, your video is going to look so beautiful. There are two things that involve in content creating. You can make a good quality video, but at the end of the day, if your audio is not sound very well, people will be skipping your video to another thing. If you are still watching and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Comment below what else you want me to add or other things you think you don't understand in this video, and I can make another video regarding that topic. Click on subscribe button, subscribe and like this video so YouTube can send it to other people that might need a content that are related to this video. Thank you, and I'm going to see you on the next video. Signing out. Bye.